Hello, this is Brian with the National Weather Service in Topeka. This is a weather briefing concerning the potential for winter weather on New Year's Eve and extending into the very first hours of 2013. We expect periods of light to moderate snow to develop Monday morning and lasting into Monday night. The snow should begin anywhere from 6 to 11 a.m. depending where you're at on Monday morning, and we do expect the snow to gradually wind down after midnight. We could see a few periods of light freezing drizzle mixing in at times as well, especially south of Interstate 70. As far as total snowfall amounts, we do expect all of northeast, north central, and east central Kansas to see snow accumulations, ranging anywhere from 1 to 2 inches near the Nebraska border and down in parts of east central Kansas to 4 or more inches along parts of the Interstate 70 corridor in particular. Total snowfall amounts are actually going to depend quite a bit on how early in the morning on Monday the snowfall starts, as it's trying to overcome some dry air. If the snowfall starts earlier, anywhere from 5 to 7 a.m., you could be looking at some slightly higher totals than these numbers here, maybe add another inch on. But if the snow does start a little bit later in the morning, then these snowfall totals should be pretty accurate. And if it starts closer to noon, we may have to trim an inch or two off of the totals. But at the current time, this does look like our best forecast in terms of total snowfall accumulation across the area. So exactly when will the snow start in the morning? Well, again, there's a little bit of uncertainty with that. But as far as the morning commute goes on your Monday morning, it may be messy if things can get started early. We do expect snow to start anywhere from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. in cities like Emporia and Abilene, maybe more in the 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. time frame in Topeka, Lawrence, and Manhattan, even a little bit later in Concordia, and up around Hiawatha, we could hold off until the late morning or even right around noon hour. Whether you end up with an inch of snow or 5 inches of snow, or even just a little bit of freezing drizzle, we do expect hazardous driving conditions to develop from Monday morning and lasting through the day on Monday and into early Tuesday. In addition, we should see 10 to 20 mile per hour winds combined with that moderate snow at times to maybe reduce visibility a bit, perhaps less than 1 mile, but it should not be nearly as bad as it was with the last storm when we had 50 mile per hour winds. We do not expect that strong of winds with this system. Now it is a holiday with the New Year coming in, so what can you expect for your New Year's celebration forecast? Well, light snow throughout the period from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. with snow gradually coming to an end during the early morning hours. It's going to be chilly, it's going to be white with that snow, and the wind chills are actually going to be down potentially in the single digits for much of the area. So it will be quite chilly. Be sure to dress warm if you'll be outdoors. Now the forecast will be updated overnight tonight and through the day on Monday with the latest thinking. To get that latest information, be sure to check out this link, our one-stop weather briefing page, or find us on Facebook and Twitter where we will be posting updates throughout the event. This has been a weather briefing at 9 p.m. on December 30th. Again, stay tuned for further updates and have a happy new year.